Hello everyone, I am back with this book and today we are doing the rest of exercise 3. A student, this is your grammar section which was not complete. So today we are doing this grammar section. So this is possessive adjective. Student, possessive adjective means it show possession or ownership. Possessive adjective show ownership and possession, like my old red hat, your red hat, her hat. So these words like my, your, her, they all are possessive adjective. And in section A, we use this possessive adjective word and fill the word here and complete the sentence. Like that's school, that's our school. That's car, that's your car. That's house, that's her house. This is puppy, this is my puppy. That's bicycle, that's your bicycle. This is new sister, this is your new sister. So they all denote ownership. So they all are possessive adjective word. In section B, joining word. Joining word, it is used to join word and phrases like brother and sister, mother and father, hot and cold. So the word and, they are joining word. It is also called compound word and it is used to join word and phrases. In section B, we use joining word and rewrite the sentence again. So you all do this work in your copy and write class work and date 12/7/2020. We read the sentence. We saw lions, tiger in the zoo. We again write the sentence. We saw lion and tiger in the zoo. Ali Musa were friend. Ali and Musa were friend. So we use joining word and between both word Ali and Musa. I like apple mango. I like apples and mango. Sheila like banana grape. Sheila like banana and grape. Bananas and grapes. So we use joining word between both word. 4. Mother took John Roshni to their school. Mother took John and Roshni to their school. I have 4 pencil, 5 eraser. I have 4 pencil and 5 eraser. So we use joining word between 4 pencil and 5 eraser. And this is dialogue writing. This is a situation and what the people are saying or thinking when he have in that situation. This is a boy who sit on the tree and lion who sit under the tree. So what was thinking on his mind, and we write here in the speech in bubbles like, oh God, he will eat me. So I think that this was thinking in his mind. In this situation, save me. Don't play here. Sit properly, dear. So this is the dialogue delivery. This is learn to listen. Two children are talking about what they will do when they grow up. So listen to them and say if these sentences are true or false. So the girls want to become a doctor. The sentence is true. The boy want to become a famous cricketer. This is also true. So we write here true. The girls say he can go to her if he break his leg. So this is false statement because the boy want to become a famous cricketer. The boy say he will give her a CD with her song. This statement is also false because the boy want to become a famous cricketer. Then how will he send a CD with his song? So this is incorrect statement. The girl says she will look for him on TV. So this is true statement, because when a boy become a famous cricketer, she will look for him on TV. So this is true situation. So student, this chapter is now complete. Chapter 3 exercise, and next chapter we will continue in another video. So till that, keep study, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.